Hello guys, most of them get answer 12 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see the correct one. Here 12 minus 4, 8 divided by 2 times this 3. Now 8 divided by 2 is 4 times this 3. Here 4 times 3 is 12. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. The correct way of doing this problem is here subtraction, division and multiplications. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, we have to do this first. 12 minus this is 2 times 3. Now we have subtraction and multiplications. From this we have to do this multiplication first because it have higher priority than this subtraction. So 12 minus this 6. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. This is the correct answer.